nabalit. Magagawa. Kailangan may pangkutay sa ito.
Dapat pala.
I never looked at it.
Alex.
After me.
Akala pala niya. Pamali ko bang kape pala yun? Ay, soft drinks pala yun. Akala ko kape. Nagdadala pa ako ng mainit sa tubig.
I don't want to do it alone.
I want this fork. I don't want this.
Parang matigas na yun.
Do not use it.
Bumili ka pa.
Do you ever like mix the egg yolk with the bananas? Yeah. It's so good and soft.
That's what I'm doing.
Busok na yung dak. May pa yan? Lakas ka? Wow, dali.
My favorite part of the egg is
Okay, check.
I thought I just saw a yellow car.
Mabilis lumaki ng batang to.
Like, I saw like
It's not yellow. Actually, I don't.
Ada kain niya.
hey, diba you say yellow to everything?
Susubo mo yan.
Yellow bus like that. Remember you do that?
Sana hindi magbago.
This yellow car. Yellow yolk.
Pati kasi yung pakain eh.
Why did you say car?
Angela pala.
Yellow yolk.
Isak dati gulay ngayon.
Tingnan ako ng mga kulay.
Dati yung nasa Pinas yung kambal. Tapos kumain yan nung nandito na puro gatas na.
I don't
What
like
do eggs? What do eggs called?
yolk.
Correct.
Easy.
Is that funny?
Nasa isa yung ano. Nasa isa yung
Make me laugh. Now I'm not gonna do that in public. Please, no. Don't do anything embarrassing to make me laugh instead. If you do something embarrassing,
Remember when you fell up the stairs at the playground?
Eh no? Lumabas dito.
well, I just hey. The fact she got she got elected.
Huh?
Like, yeah. Mama, I'm done, ma.
Bro, doon may upan doon. Tapos ka na din? Finish?
Nalayan so big po.
I know.
Ayun, ito. Tara, wag. Ayun, sino?
I'm ready. Try that.
Wala ka, kain. Dan? Yung water. Let's play na. Para may makaupo sa upuan mo.
You can use the same stick. Laban yan.
Ano yan?
Huwag mo masyadong sunodin din.
I think it's off.
Doon, okay. Okay pa rin yan.
Mainit yan.
Huwag mo masyadong ano pa rin yan.
Gusto mo yung sa brother JD ba?
More.
Did you remove the
Oy, you're not allowed. That's vinegar. No. Lalo sabaw. No, vinegar yun, vinegar. Ayun kay Lada.
Yeah, I did, but I left it. You lost it. I'm roasted marshmallow.
Good.
There. JJ there.
Careful ha, matusok ka.
Ato, sige lumalag eh. Gusto pala yung pansikan mo. More? More. Gusto pa yung Jojo sa pansikan.
Ay!
Hindi.
Ninang good try. It's 5 seconds. Not 5 minutes.
Away mo na tayo.
Not even 1 second.
Ninang good try. What the fruit that is the ground? I eat marshmallow.
We need bacteria. Yeah.
But the bacteria goes into the vomit because in the ground.
I already ate good bacteria.
Bacteria good.
Wait, look. Wait, look. Oh!
If your body doesn't have bacteria, you will get sick.
Huh?
Yeah. When we were a kid, we're eating all the bacteria on the skin.
Mommy.
Yeah. You ask me lang, Jen.
Mommy, is that true?
Yeah.
Is that true? Excellent!
You know when we were young, like we're playing, for example, we're playing and then we tapa, and then we have sugat. We just like this, do like this, and then play again. Even blood is coming out, funny what is that? Yeah. But your generation now, go out, chill. Oh. During our time, we don't have bike, we don't have anything.
Ah,
We have clothes
No,
of
what?
course. But we are doing. No, I mean toys. But we're playing a lot outside.
I was playing the leaves of the plant,
Yeah.
the stove.
You know the cigarette butt? We're getting those from the street, and then we're taking them off, and then we put them money.
That's how you used to be for money.
Ano doon na nag-preach ka ngayon?
Hoy!
Hoy!
Tata! Oh, tata! Tata! Sabi ko kay Jay, yung bata kami, kahapon na, papatuloy ko lang ang hayop. Tapos, naririnig ko yung mga kalaro mo. Just pretend that you're asleep. Baba? Wala dito si Baba mo.
Can I share some? Can I share something to you?
Yeah.
It's about the time that, you know, like, it's like a situation of, but,
Tata is there, oh.
you don't remember the time when someone was beating your father with like a hat?
Kailangan ko. Nabot sa kaway. Wala siyang nahabol na mentak.
And then the freeze, not freeze,
Kaya siya na niya hawak ang tak. Pero na nahabol. Uy! Uy!
Now you roast mushroom.
Ayos ka.
Bro, it's not working, look. Whoa, golden brown.
Saging. Wala pa kami, no?
Meron na yan.
Dito na mo.
Dahan-dahan na, baka tumalsik ka lang.
Saging, climax. Okay. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Ah, wala na.
Where's Dada? Where? Where's Dada? Where?
Where?
Ayun!
Wait, wait.
Ah.
Oh, can you help me try to do that? Just do it for your dog. I'll help you. Can you come with me? No, not those. Oh, even if it's like go like this, and then you're gonna stay like that first. Then look if it's gonna turn golden brown.
Bata kami, walang ganyan-ganyan marshmallow.
Then check again.
Naka-time lapse ba to? Baka ito. Tama? Ako, nabili ko na vacuum na No! This is coffee! Where's coffee?
Then, oh, minus 20 golden brown. Minus 20. Just keep on moving. Once it's a bit turning golden brown, you need to move it to the side or like check it. You need to check it. Okay, other side. The other side. Turn it around. Yeah. This side is much better. Okay, it's about to turn. So hot. Is this like? Is this the seat of the sun? Oh wait, look at this. Hey, check it.
Yung baboy natin paliit na palitan.
Woo! Gusto ba? Hi, Kaya! Oh. What's that? Camera? Ooh! Naku!
Ano?
Go on the other side,
No.
Oh, look, I see it. Just a little bit. Just go there. We do it like this. Oh, whoa. I wasn't expecting that. You wasn't expecting that.
Sa mamayang gabi.
Ooh, look
Maghapon
at
na.
this face.
Makaluto niyo ulit. Para fresh na fresh pa rin. Kasi pag lutuin lahat, makunat na paggabi na.
Look at mine.
Ay, tataan.
Oh!
Tata.
Ah. Ah.
Okay, I think it's done. Don't wait. Don't eat it yet because it's not gonna be. You need to pull it down and then you can like pull it. I don't want to like do like that. I want to like eat it with the stick. That's your
Dada, you want Jojoy? Go.
Because I touched it and it's like a little bit hard. Yeah, it was a little bit hard.
Mmm.
Wait. Oh, wait, come back. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Look at this. That was so fast. There's a fish and big fish. Marshmallow Goo. It's called Melorella. Well, if your truck is falling, it's okay. When it's falling, maybe it's time that it will like. It's time to get it.
Yan, madulog pa lupa, Ken. Bird.
Ooh, ooh,
Yung
ooh,
ano,
ooh.
sobrang pula. Sobrang pula.
Ew, ew.
Parang ano,
Oh, wait.
Sa media. Sabi daw ni Trump, fake daw yung air, yung Green Air Act na yun.
Look at the inside. You can actually see through it. Like, where's JJ?
Mga pera daw, mga iliyon.
Ooh. Literally.
Sinabi ng US President,
Can we go there?
dami.
Look like the British.
alay,
Lipstick.
alay Trump na.
Oh, let's go there.
Hindi naman mong pwede. Representative yan. Sabi,
Can we go to the beach? Yeah, I don't think I can like
friends ka bro? Ano lang ba?
Oh, whoa, look at this.
Uy, may bilag ka.
Look at this.
Mas maganda yung side na dito kaysa doon sa kabila, naglalamig doon sa kabila.
Saan? Ano?
I still want to tell them.
Doon sa kabila. Doon kasi yung hangin eh, papunta lahat sa iyo.
Melorella.
Grabe doon.
Grabe lamig doon, naka-jacket nga ako doon. Papuntin niyo.
Pero parang ngayon, hindi naman sabi.
Kasi parang tumatagos yung pan sa buto eh.
Wala kasing harang doon. Open kasi, kaya lamig.
Ano mo lahat?
Walang harang. Ito yung harang. Yung mga tao na sa likod mo, yung mga hayaan.
Yung katabi nga natin, nalamigan, umuwi na.
Wait, I will throw the stick. I'll throw the stick.
Wala kayong kanin.
Gusto mo na yun.
Ayun yung yung tatak. Yung alaw tatak.
Hi, guys, guys.
Tata.
Bumalik ko pa.
Tuta.
Ilang hour?
Anong oras? Saglit lang yan, kagabi lang yan. Binabantayan pa ka ni Roger yan, gano'n nyo. Hindi nga, halo-halo niya, konti lang yung niya. Medyo matabang lang konti.
Kata.
Tata! Buti hindi ka nabito niya bro.
Go, 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 go!
Go!
Nakakabaw! Standby pa rin naman. Pero hindi nag-ano. Ano tinatawag yun? Hindi na pa ngayon. Dessert assistant.
Ang sarap pa naman noon. Yung melon.
Oo, nakita ko sa video.
Ayun, wala. Paano nilagyan niya ng bitter? Bitter kasi masyado.
Lagyan ng palaya.
Kung kailan tapos na eh, saka pumait, pambira.
Bakit? Ano nilagay?
Palaya nga.
Ang palaya nga.
Minsan may mga gano'n yung level. Parang minsan na ano.
Hindi, yung balat nung minsan.
Oo, balat ng nilo.
Hindi, yung kuhan, tawag doon. Hindi, kinayod niya lang yun eh.
Meron talaga.
Dilaw-dilaw pa nga eh. Eh, nilagyan niya nung yung... Tawag doon, yung maliliit na bilog-bilog. Sago. Pagkalagay nung sago, pumait.
Huh? Ay, sorry.
Hindi ka nagbasa bro? Ay sis?
Parang si Papa na lang.
Inaantay ko nga sabi niya, magluto ulit ako ng carbonara. Dapat kailangan mo bumawi, sister. Akala ko na sabi, magluto ako. Dapat kanina pa kami dito, alas 12. Natanggal yung gulong nung scooter, ayos, scooter yung trolley. Yung wagon, may bago nga kami, yung wagon.
Di ba green yung wagon mo dati?
Galing kayo yun kay sa bahay nila sila. Sa madam niya. Kaso natatanggal ko sa yung
Ay, walang tikot.
ay!
May tikot.
Oh, it's only for good. You're not good.
Oh, alik. Ay, 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 ay. Wala.
Ito. Ay, wala ko yung galing.
Hindi, correct yun eh.
Ay, nag-galing.
White luto eh. Ay, white. Gusto mo na?
Ubusin mo na para maubos.
Pait naman ang kape mo?
Uy, sakto lang yan. Sakto lang.
Ayos.
Next natin.
Get your ano. Nakakapag-isip daw yan. Di ba nag-reply si Ate Cheng? Your water, guys. Get your water. Hindi pala tayo pwedeng magtagal dito. Pag-bilisan to.
Okay na to, 22 minutes.